Hey amazing people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon ay papunta na kami sa lunch area. Magta-try kami ng Thai food for lunch. And then after this, hindi pa nasabi ng tour guide kung saan kami pupunta next. Pero malalaman nyo naman din sa video ito. So, show ko lang tong pangalan ng ating lunch area. Mayu Cuisine House. So, Thai food daw ito guys. And at least, kakaiba naman to. Thai food sa China. So, tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Yung iba ngayon ko lang nakita na food. Kaso sabi nga nila 30 minutes lang dito kaya hindi na daw magagawa. Nalibang sila dun sa perya. Nanonood lang. Nakinood lang. Ito guys, so pakyat tayo sa taas kung saan ando ng ating table. Alright, so tignan natin kung meron dito. Alright. So table pa din guys ang sistema. Ayan ang kanilang food. Pero dadami pa yan mamaya. So dito daw kami. Okay. Dito tayo. Okay. So guys, ito yung food nila. And may dadagdag pa daw dyan. Pero so far, ayan yung food. So, kain muna tayo guys. So guys, food update. Dumami na siya. Yung iba ngayon ko lang nakita na food. So let's eat. So guys, balik na tayo sa bus. And hindi ko alam kung sa Avatar Mountains na ba o sa Chanmen Mountain. Pero either of the two yung pupuntahan natin. So kumain tayo kasi para may energy and para makayanan natin yung mga lakaran sa mga susunod na pupuntahan natin. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa ating next stop which is Tuja Palace. So Tuja Palace. So dito tayo pupunta. Libutin lang daw natin sandali itong castle na to. And then alis din daw tayo agad. So let's go. So guys, ito na, papasok na tayo. May ticket dito pero no need to pay extra. Part na siya ng ating tour package kay SMB. So ayan ang itsura niya. Sobrang ganda ng panahon ngayon, mainit. Saktong sakto ito. So dito tayo papasok guys. Uy, live pala yun. Ang galing, live. Alright. So, akyat tayo dito guys. Okay. Practice na to para sa Chanmen Mountain. Alright.
This garden was the ancient palace also. And also as you can see a lot of leaders had visit here before. Because this is like the shoebox of the Tuja culture and their minority culture at Sweden. Later we will cross this Dragon Gate. Dragon Gate. That means the good luck, good fortune will bring to us. Okay? Come to us. And later everybody follow me, huh? Touch this hat. These are the lucky animals. You know what is this animals?
Zodiac.
Huh?
Zodiac.
No. Do you know a legendary animal called Piao? Yeah.
Oh.
This is the one. And how do you appreciate touch it? Touch its hat.
Ayan, so sa culture daw nila, hawakan mo bawat animal dito sa
Ay, sorry po.
So dito tayo guys, ayan. Hawakan pala daw yung mga animal sabi. Hindi na tayo magaganon. So ito yung other side. Oh. Dito sa other side may mga ano din, oh, traditional dress ng Chinese. Sundan muna natin si tour guide. Yan. So dito tayo kay Francis, mag-explain siya ulit.
Okay, as you can see, there is one of the like the theater, right? This is one of the like a platform, and in the ancient time, there is a kind of dancing which was quite famous. Even nowadays, it's still quite famous. The name of this kind of dancing is called pan. Okay, they were wearing a facial mask, but not in the front, at the back. And then dancing like ghosts. At the end of the year, this is a kind of a ceremony which we believe can scare away the ghosts and also the bad luck.
Right.
And also, like you can see in such an environment, I mean, big harvest, which was very hard. So at that period of time, people all wish they get good harvests, right, with a good luck and good health. So that's why that was the local king. That is the local king, and the center, and the king of the ghost also, right? And those facial masks at those sites, I see a lot of facial masks. That's their unique culture, Tujia's unique culture. All right, and also because all local people all will believe we are with the good luck. How to get the good luck? Later, let's follow in the front to see how we get it. All right.
Ayan guys, so dito sa part na to may costume rental ulit. So pwede kayo magganyan. Kaso sabi nga nila 30 minutes lang dito kaya hindi na daw magagawa. Meron sanang may mga gusto.
This building,
Ayan.
the ancient one. This is the renovated one. Okay, but the history of this building is more than 300 years. 300 years. Actually, in the past, across this gate, the other side, that's the real ancient palace. The local king just sitting inside. Was sitting inside, and you see, as you can see, they use a lot of dragon, and on top of those this column, see, one of this creature, this animal, big ear, right? Big ear. Ear. What is that? Bat. Yes. But why is bat? Why is bat? Bat in local dialect, bat means good luck. It's called Fu Bian Fu. Fu means luck. Okay. So that's why they use this as a decor. But as you can see, some of the dragons here, I mean, compared to the one in Beijing, can you tell any difference? Actually, the dragon here is smaller. Smaller. They are not allowed to use, the big size dragon. Only the emperor allowed. They are a little bit lower because they are local king. Lower, right? So they also use a lot of different animals here, right? Different animals. These are all those lucky animals, like frog. This is a lion. Lucky animals.
Ito ano to?
Some of them are the son of dragon.
Kakaiba. So yun yung history niya guys. Blinag na ni Francis.
How to say, notes, right? On top of it, all the local people, they're written like the wishes and tied up on the tree. That is how we make our wishes. And later, and you come to there, go to there, see there is an ancient Buddha there. Okay. Later, if you want to test, also you can test whether you can put the coin on the Buddha's hand.
Money?
Coin, yes, coin.
Pag daw na-shot mo yung coin dun sa
Yeah, if you want the
parang dito and dun sa saluhan dito. Ayan.
One setup is very
Ayan
close.
guys, nagbabato yung mga kasama natin.
Inside.
Sa labas! Dapat sa loob nung butas mismo.
Oo nga, na-shoot ko sa butas.
Ay, sa loob. Very good. Kuha ka na daw dito sa ano.
Yung price mo is yan. For the Peria pala yan. Peria atake. Shoot mo, girl. Ay, wala.
Ay, sayang.
For the Peria hand.
Na-video ko pala yun. Pumasok sa loob.
For the Peria hand. Oh my God.
Ayun! Nice one.
Lucky girl, lucky girl.
Make me lucky. I want to be. Lagi nasa perya.
Millionaire.
Lagi nasa perya. Ano sa perya?
Billionaire.
Nakakuha siya ng baso.
Ay, sayang. So, meron kang cracklings. So guys, nalibang sila dun sa perya. Ang nanood lang. Nakinood lang. So, asa na si Francis? And okay, sasundan na natin ulit si Francis sa ating next na discussion. Sandali lang guys. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel na ito na AJTV Amazing Travels, mag-subscribe ka na dahil malaking tulong yun para sa akin na may pagpatuloy ang paggawa ng mga ganitong klaseng travel videos. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Subscribe na. Now back to the vlog. Okay guys, so dahil sa maraming tao dito, cancel na kami dito. Redirecta na daw kami sa Tianmen Mountain, sabi ni Francis. Para mas marami yung time natin doon kesa dito. So, papakita ko na lang sa part na to guys. Bago mag-exit, may mga pa-free taste. Ayan. Oh, free taste. Thank you. Pa-free taste. Okay. Ito no, gato.
好香的，哎，阿刚，谢谢你。
Shishi.
不要客气，不要拒绝我，小手伸出来，哎，
Shishi. Ayan.
3 days din yan.
May pamukbang pala dito guys. So, tikman natin. Marap to. Marambot. Ayun. So, itong... Try natin itong nugat. Marap.
Have a good time. Yeah, please. Have a good time.
Thank you. Lahat ng binibigay guys. O, tignan mo yung kamay ko. Puno na. Parang ulit. Ano kaya to?
Wala na. Busog ka na kami.
Thank you. Parang jelly. Jerky, hindi namigay. Ay, hindi nakalatag na doon.
Paglabas mo, busog ka na.
Paglabas mo dito, busog ka na. O, ito naman, ano pa to?
Ano to?
Parang, gusto ko pala tong tambayan eh.
Merienda na ni Francis.
Ayan, so crackers. Shishi. Ay, grabe. Lahat of free taste. Ito itong sweet. Matigas. Masarap, para siyang singaling guys. Ito naman. Itong nougat na talaga.
Follow this way, straight away.
Masarap lahat guys. In fairness, no joke, masarap. Ito, itong mahabang to. Ang sarap din ito, malambot. Meron pa guys, ito pa. dito sa loob guys, mga chili, mga ano,
要不要美女？买手包给你送补吗？美女要不要
ito？yung nougat kanina. Ano masarap?
包100元。你可以听到，都是我们制作的，师傅手工现做现卖的。要不要美女？要不要带？
Yung mga free taste. Ay, thank you.
梨黄的酱菜。
Ito tea pero malapot. Sorry, hindi ko alam yung lasa nito. Hindi siya masarap for me. So ito yung mga binili na mga pina-free taste kanina. Ito yung masarap. Ito masarap tong dalawa. Ito. Sarap. Kaya bumili din ako nito guys. 56. Tumawad kayo? So guys, magta-try ako tumawad. 7 sana sa akin, 50. Hindi niya ako pinagbigyan pero pinagbalot niya ako ng maliit na supot. Extra daw. Kasi mako-compare nga naman dun sa ibang bumili. So anyway, ayan. So, meron din dito mga magnets. F-magnets. Tapos ito na yung end of the line. And may mga iba pang mabibili. Ito yung mga magnets eh. Magkano kaya to? Ayan. Pero ito daw medyo mahal daw ang presyo pala dito, sabi nung aming tour guide, kasi may pwesto sila. So tayo ay lalabas na guys. So far naman tagumpay ang ating mission end. May uwi na akong pasalubong ngayon kahit pa paano sa aking pamilya. So yeah,
Cross the road. Okay.
I'll just drop by the toilet first.
Yeah. Toilet.
Okay, thank you. And guys, so nakalabas na ako and babalik na tayo sa bus kasi Tianmen Mountain na. Seryoso na yun. So guys, ito yung pinili ko. Meron ako nito, yung parang malambot, saka yung nougat. Ito. And so 6 for 50 yuan. Tapos binigyan lang ako ng extra ganito. Kasi sabi ko sana 7. Eh kaso nga lang, syempre nandun yung ibang bumili na ng 6. Kaya hindi na siya pumayag. So okay na rin. May merienda tayo dito. Pero ito talaga yung pinakamasarap guys. Out of dun sa lahat ng pina-free taste nila kanina. Kaya bumili ako nito. For sure magugustuhan dito sa bahay. Kasi hindi siya matigas, malambot siya, and madali siyang matunaw sa bibig. So yun yung kagandahan nitong snack na to. And may uwi na tayo sa bahay. And dahil dyan guys, i-end ko na muna ang vlog na ito. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga nanonood. At kung may gusto niyo yung video ito, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa akin next vlog. See you sa next episode. Bye!